Good morning children. Hope you are all doing good. This is 3rd standard English class. Vlog 19, text to self connections. In the today's topic is meaningful connections. Today we are going to make meaningful connections to the story. We read many stories and text and we watch movies or cartoon shows. So what we'll do children, we'll try to connect that story with our own lives. You small children like to watch Doraemon, right children? So in the Doraemon, who is the main character? Nobita. How is he? He likes to enjoy his life and always every time he tries to escape from studies. Okay, and he has many friends, like Dekisugi and Shizuka like that. When I was small, I also had a friend like Dekisugi. He used to study nicely and he used to get first in class. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are making strong connections, we are making meaningful connections to the story. When we make meaningful connections to the story, we can understand the characters better and we can understand the story also better. So in our previous class also we have connected the story with our own lives. In that, the two boys were practicing the game take on two, but here we connected it with our own lives, the game football. So today what we are going to do is we read the next 3 pages of the story and we try to make the meaningful connections with the story.
Open your English readers. So here block 19, the assembly medal. We have read till page number 123. Now turn the page. Hey, what's that noise? Ricky turned to see an empty jeep rolling down a slope in the field. See here, the jeep is rolling down. So then the sound is coming. Watch out, shouted Rahul to that little girl playing at the bottom of the slope. They see the little girl is playing at the bottom of the slope. Hana, Tul said. Ricky leapt towards the jeep. Leapt means running. So Ricky was running towards the jeep. 1, 2, 3. Rahul rushed to the girl. See here children, meaningful connections. If I say here, when I was a little girl, my father too had a jeep. Is a strong connection? No, it's a weak connection because it does not really help me understand the story or the character better. So when we are reading the text or story, we have to make meaningful connections. If we make meaningful connections, what will happen children? We can understand the story and we can understand the characters and their feelings. See next para. Ricky jumped into the rolling jeep and grabbed the steering wheel. See here. Ricky, what happened? He jumped into the rolling jeep and grabbed the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. The jeep turned away from the girl just as Rahul pulled her out of the way. So then, Rahul, what happened? He pulled that girl. Ricky pulled the handbrake. The jeep shuddered to a stop. Shuddered means just vibrated, means shivered. Means suddenly he put that handbrake, no? That's why the jeep vibrated. The mechanic came rushing out from behind another car. See here, the mechanic was coming. Oh no, how did the jeep start moving? He was shaking. Because here, this is near the garage. Garage means we take the cars for repairs, no? That is the place, that is garage. Now next page. Hearing the noise and screams, the little girl's mother came running. She took the girl from Rahul. Hugging her close, she said to him again and again, "You saved my child. You saved my child." So here what happened children? The jeep was coming towards the little girl because that little girl was playing because no one is there in the jeep. So then the two boys were saved that little girl's life. See, if I say, I once heard about a young boy who jumped into a lake to save another boy who was drowning. This is a strong connection because it helps us to understand the story better. Now, let's come to the next para. The next day there was a special assembly at school. The principal greeted the children. Dear children, I have a special story to share with you today. Rahul and Ricky listened as she told everyone what had happened with the jeep. In the end, she smiled and said, I am proud to tell you that the two heroes of this story are right here. Rahul and Ricky smiled at each other. The principal continued. So then in that assembly, the principal was telling that, because Rahul and Ricky saved that little girl, no? So she was announcing that in that assembly hall. They felt very proud. If you observe here, see how they are. Now, the principal continued, these boys have worked hard to become the youngest green belts in their taekwondo group, and they have used their skills to help a little girl in trouble. Next page. The mechanic and the little girl's mother were on the stage holding a medal each. As the principal called out their names, Ricky and Rahul walked up smiling. The hall was filled with claps. Their dream had come true. So this is the story, children, the assembly medal.
We have learned that making meaningful connections help us to understand the story, character and their feelings better. Meaningful connection is the one that adds to our imagination, and these connections also help us feel like we are a part of the story. If we do not make our connections meaningful, we may get distracted and forget what we are reading. I hope you all understood, children. Open your English workbooks.
S3, meaningful connections. Write today's date, children. What is today's date? 11-2-2021. Read the last page of the story, the assembly medal, with your partner. Tick the meaningful connection. Here they have given you 3 sentences. First one, A. I attend assembly at school every morning. We sing the school song and say our prayers. B1. Our principal talks to us at assembly every week. She tells us why it is important to be quiet during class. C1. My friend's father saved a little boy from an accident on the road. He got a bravery award for it. So what we have to do, we have to read these 3 sentences and we have to tick the meaningful connections. Meaningful connections. From where? Read the last page of the story, the assembly medal. So this is the last page of the story. Here what is happening, children? They got award. In the assembly hall they got award that. So in these 3 sentences, which is related to that last page of the story, is the third one. Second one. Fill in to describe a meaningful connection that you made to the story. This reminds me of, I understand how the character feels because the setting makes me think of another place. So what we have to do, we have to write a meaningful connection. Here in the story, the 2 boys were saved that girl's life. So according to that, if you have your own experience, anything connection to your own life, you can write, children. Otherwise, you can copy from the workbook. See, I'll write my own experience. Fill in to describe a meaningful connection that you made to the story. See here. This reminds me of a time when my brother was swimming in the swimming pool. A small boy was running alongside the pool when he fell into the water. My brother and some other people rushed towards him and took him out of the water. Everyone was proud of my brother. Okay, I understand how the character feels because, see children, if you have your own, your own experience, maybe you can connect it with your own lives, means you can write your own experience. Here I have written about mine. I understand how the character feels because my brother was very happy and proud. The boy's parents said thank you to him and my parents gave him a gift for being brave. The settings makes me think of another place. Every morning we have assembly in the assembly hall. There are many children and teachers. We clap very loudly if someone wins a prize. Now third one, children. Write one sentence to explain why your connection is meaningful. So you have to write one sentence to explain why your connection is meaningful. Here see, I can understand the character, feelings, and also I can imagine how he was happy. I can understand how the character feels, and I can also imagine how happy the two boys were on winning the medal. Okay, children, complete S3. We'll meet in the next class, children. Thank you.